you started your own business because you wanted to escape the 9-to-5 grind. The only problem is now it seems like your business is running you instead of the other way around. Trust me, I get it. My name's Tanya. I'm a musician, blogger, passive income and SEO specialist, and I've been running my own business for 17 years. I understand the growing pains, and today we're going to talk about 4 different ways that you can scale your business to make it work for you. Because over here, I'm about working smarter, not harder. And make sure you stick around to number 4 because it is my absolute favorite. Congratulations, you did it. You built your business. You have clients, and that's a problem. You have more clients than you even know what to do with. And you've learned that you're quickly running out of hours in the day. The stress is real. 1, you're limited to how much money you can make because you're out of hours. You literally can't add any more clients. And number 2, what happens if you get sick? You can't work with your clients because you are ill. Maybe you're in the hospital. What are you gonna do? You don't have the extra hours to make up that time. These are real problems that entrepreneurs deal with on a regular basis. But trust me, there are ways around this. We're gonna stop living that 24/7 no life and start living the life we deserve. And the first thing we're gonna do that is by getting rid of one-on-one clients. Now, I am not telling you to drop all your one-on-one clients because you're over there going, Tanya, are you crazy? What the heck? How am I gonna survive? What I'm telling you is don't take any more. Instead, switch your clients over into more of a group coaching situation if you're a coach. If you're a private music teacher, switch your lessons over to a group lesson format. Now, let me explain to you how this works. You can get more clients this way because you're offering your services at a lower price. And before you slam on the brakes, don't yell at me. Listen to my strategy here. Let's say you teach music lessons and you charge $30 for a 30-minute lesson. Why don't you instead charge $20 for a 30-minute group lesson? You can then put 4 students in that group. 4 students at $20 each is $80 for that 30-minute lesson instead of $30. Let's take that into one-on-one coaching. Maybe you're more high ticket. Maybe you do one-on-one coaching at $500 an hour. Okay. Well, let's cut that down to $400 an hour. Now, let's put 4 people in that group instead of 1. Now we're making $1,600 an hour instead of $500. That math adds up really quickly. This is a great way to do it. Plus, that way, if you get sick, you don't have to reschedule 4 clients. You have to reschedule one hour block. Now, maybe you don't work one-on-one. Maybe you work with client packages. You do done-for-you services. You're not a coach. That's okay. Start coming up with packages that you can create and tweak. Have your set marketing package ready to go. And then as clients come in, tweak that package to work for them. The second thing I want to talk about is courses. Courses are a great way to scale your business without having to add extra hours in. These done at your own pace courses are great for people who don't have a lot of time. So take your coaching services. Think about what you teach, whether it be marketing, whether it be business, whether it be self-care. Take that and package it into a go at your own pace course. Bonus points if you have a payment plan for this course because that's going to guarantee you monthly income over a set amount of months. Maybe you're a yoga teacher. Have a yoga at home course that they can do. Maybe you're a flute teacher. Have a series on improving your flute tone or flute for adults in 13 weeks. The possibilities are endless. Think about what you do, what you teach, and create a course to go with it. Maybe you're a graphic designer. You do done-for-you work. How do you make a course work for you? Maybe create a one-off course for $49 on how to design your own logo. Have color and font pairings that already work together as part of that mini course. Then you can sell that to clients who need a logo but maybe can't afford to pay you to create it for them. By purchasing your course, they have the tools they need to do it themselves, and you're bringing in money without doing extra work. The third way to do it is memberships. Memberships are fabulous because this is a great way to work with a large number of clients at once. Your membership can be higher ticket. It can even include your courses that you have. And then add in 1 or 2 calls a month as part of the membership. You don't have to cap it like you would at a group. So in the group coaching, maybe you cap it at 4 people. A membership, you can have hundreds of people in it. Say you take that group coaching where you were making $1,600 an hour and you charge $100 a month for your membership, and now you get 30 people in it. You are now making $3,000 an hour for the same thing. This is what you need to think about when it comes to scaling your business. The same thing with music lessons. Maybe you're a violin teacher. Maybe you have the Adult Violin Academy, where they have go at your own pace courses that they can work through in the membership. And then you have a one-on-one call every single month where they can come in and ask you questions about technique, about repertoire, etc. This is another great way to scale your business without adding a ton of extra hours. And then finally, one of my favorites is products. Now, this does not have to be a physical product, although it can be. Maybe you have a book you want to sell. You can do that through Amazon. This can also be digital products, digital downloads, ebooks, video lessons, video content, micro courses. Anything that can be consumed in about an hour falls into this product. I personally do this all the time. Every time I teach another masterclass, I record it and then I put it on my website for sale for $29. My $29 masterclass series. And I sell these masterclass replays all the time because they provide helpful information in an easy to deliver format that in turn help my exact ideal customer achieve the result they want. And I'll put a link to all of those $29 masterclasses down below so that you can see what I have to offer. But these are ways that you can start scaling your business right now and start boosting your income. And now for the bonus way, a blog. There, I said it. I love blogs. Having a blog will not only help you bring in your exact ideal client, but it's another great way to make money. It's a great way to organically sell those products. It's a great way to organically get people into your membership, to get people to buy your courses. Blogging is something that I am passionate about. And if you want to learn more about how to get a blog going, I have a video on that and I will link it right here. So until next time, peace out.